Hello, I'm Leslie McEwen. I'm a registered psychotherapist. My journey in this field began over 30 years ago with a double major in psychology and religion from Carleton University, followed by a master's degree in individual and pastoral counseling from St. Paul University and the University of Ottawa. I'm deeply committed to providing compassionate and culturally informed care. My training is extensive and includes specialized certificates in areas such as trauma informed approaches, particularly regarding gender based violence and Indigenous cultural safety. I have significant experience and training in supporting the mental health needs of racialized young people and adults, including specific training in culturally adapted modalities, which informs my work with the Black community. I also hold certification as an anger management facilitator and also in the applied suicidal intervention skills. I'm also trained in HOPE, that is, harm to older persons evaluation. Beyond my clinical work, I am the author of Anxiety in the Pulpit, published in 2022, exploring the unique mental health challenges within that context. I maintain good standing with my licensing college, and I'm also an active member of other professional associations. So, May is Mental Health Awareness Month. It's a time for us all to shine a light on mental well being, reduce stigma, and encourage support. Often, conversations around mental health in the Black community highlight the significant challenges we face, and these are real and important to be acknowledged. Sure, we navigate the impacts of historical trauma, systemic racism, discrimination, and disparities in access to care. These are undeniable burdens that affect mental health. However, focusing only on the struggles misses a crucial part of our story. It overlooks the deep, powerful fountain of resilience that has always existed in the Black communities. Today, we want to shift the focus. We want to celebrate the incredible inherent resilience woven into the fabric of Black culture and explore how these cultural strengths serve as a protective factor and sources of healing for our mental well being. What do we mean by resilience in this context? It's not just about bouncing back from adversity. For Black communities, resilience is an active, ongoing process of survival, adaptation, and thriving in the face of persistent challenges. It is the ability to maintain hope, find joy, and build strong connections even when the world around you presents obstacles. And this resilience is deeply rooted in our shared cultural heritage. Spirituality and faith are significant cultural assets that bolster mental wellness within the Black community. Historically and today, the Black church has served as a sanctuary, a hub for community organizing, a source of strength for many, and a provider of crucial social support. The strong sense of community in Black culture is another powerful element of resilience, extending beyond immediate family to encompass extended relatives. These close family ties with grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins often provide additional layer of support, guidance, and love. Black music and art have always been vital outlets for expression, healing, and resistance. From the coded messages of spirituals, the storytelling of the blues, to the diverse expressions of contemporary Black music, the resistant echoes in other art forms as well. Virtual arts, literature and poetry, dance, theater and performing art, film, and all these have challenged the stereotypes. If we look into each of these art forms, we see recurring themes of resilience in the face of oppression, the creation of community and shared identity, the transmission of history and cultural knowledge, and the assertion of Black humanity and agency. These artistic expressions are not merely aesthetic, they're vital threads in the fabric of Black history and continue to be powerful forces for social change and healing. They offer spaces to grieve, to celebrate, to critique, and to imagine a more just and equitable future. So, how do these cultural assets translate into mental wellness? They act as powerful protective factors. Spirituality can provide a framework for finding meaning in suffering and fostering hope. The church and faith communities offer a built-in support network and a sense of belonging. Recognizing and tapping into these roots of resilience is not about ignoring challenges or dismissing the need for professional help. It's about leveraging the strengths that are inherently ours. It's about understanding that leaning on your faith, connecting with your community, expressing yourself through art, or seeking comfort from your family are valid, powerful strategies for maintaining mental wellness. During Mental Health Awareness Month and beyond, let's celebrate these deep wells of strength. Let us encourage each other to lean into our cultural assets. Let's continue to build strong communities, uplift our artistic voices, cherish our families, and find solace and peace in our spirituality. And also remember that seeking professional mental health care is also an act of strength, one that can be supported and complemented by our incredible cultural resilience. By acknowledging and utilizing these roots, we can continue to nurture our mental well-being, heal, and thrive. Thank you for watching. For more content like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be safe and take care of yourselves. Thank you.